ServSafe Exam Test 2026 Part 4 Cleaning, Sanitizing and Facilities.
Question 1. What is the difference between cleaning and sanitizing? Option A. Cleaning reduces pathogens, sanitizing removes dirt. Option B. Cleaning removes visible dirt and food, sanitizing reduces pathogens to safe levels. Option C. They are exactly the same thing. Option D. Cleaning uses chemicals, sanitizing uses only water.
The correct answer is option B. Cleaning removes visible dirt and food, sanitizing reduces pathogens to safe levels. Cleaning removes food, dirt, and other visible matter from a surface. Sanitizing reduces the number of microorganisms on a clean surface to safe levels.
Question 2. What is the correct sequence of steps for cleaning and sanitizing a prep table? Option A. Rinse, clean, sanitize, air dry. Option B. Clean, sanitize, rinse, wipe, dry. Option C. Clean, rinse, sanitize, air dry. Option D. Sanitize, clean, rinse, air dry.
The correct answer is option C. Clean, rinse, sanitize, air dry. The proper four-step method is 1. Clean the surface, 2. Rinse the surface, 3. Sanitize the surface, and 4. Allow the surface to air dry.
Question 3. In a 3-compartment sink, what is the required minimum temperature of the water in the first wash sink? Option A. 75 F. Option B. 90 F. Option C. 110 F. Option D. 135 F.
The correct answer is option C. 110 F. The first sink is used for washing and must contain a detergent solution with water at a minimum temperature of 110 F, 43 C.
Question 4. What is the purpose of the second compartment in a 3-compartment sink? Option A. Washing. Option B. Rinsing. Option C. Sanitizing. Option D. Air drying.
The correct answer is option B. Rinsing. The second compartment is used to rinse the detergent and remaining food debris off the dishes with clean water.
Question 5. If using a chemical sanitizer in the third compartment of a 3-compartment sink, what determines the correct water temperature? Option A. The local health code. Option B. The FDA food code. Option C. The sanitizer manufacturer's instructions. Option D. It must always be 171 F.
The correct answer is option C. The sanitizer manufacturer's instructions. Chemical sanitizers, like chlorine, iodine, or quartz, have specific temperature, concentration, and contact time requirements set by the manufacturer.
Question 6. If using hot water to sanitize in a 3-compartment sink, what is the minimum required water temperature? Option A. 135 F. Option B. 150 F. Option C. 165 F. Option D. 171 F.
The correct answer is option D. 171 F. When using hot water for sanitizing in a manual dishwashing sink, the water must be at least 171 F, 77 C, and items must be immersed for 30 seconds.
Question 7. What is the required final sanitizing rinse temperature in a high-temperature dishwashing machine? Option A. 165 F. Option B. 171 F. Option C. 180 F. Option D. 212 F.
The correct answer is option C. 180 F. In a high-temperature, stationary rack, single-temperature machine, the requirement varies slightly, but for most standard high-temp conveyor machines, the final sanitizing rinse must be at least 180 F, 82 C.
Question 8. How should a food handler check the concentration of a chemical sanitizer solution? Option A. By smelling it. Option B. By looking at the color. Option C. By using a test kit designed for the specific sanitizer. Option D. By dipping a finger in it.
The correct answer is option C. By using a test kit designed for the specific sanitizer. The only way to accurately measure the concentration of a sanitizer solution, in parts per million, ppm, is to use the appropriate chemical test kit.
Question 9. What is the required minimum contact time for a chlorine sanitizer solution at 50 to 99 ppm? Option A. 7 seconds. Option B. 10 seconds. Option C. 30 seconds. Option D. 60 seconds.
The correct answer is option A. 7 seconds. For chlorine to effectively kill pathogens at a concentration of 50 to 99 ppm, the items must be submerged or in contact with the solution for at least 7 seconds.
Question 10. If food contact surfaces are in constant use, how often must they be cleaned and sanitized? Option A. Every 1 hour. Option B. Every 2 hours. Option C. Every 4 hours. Option D. At the end of the day.
The correct answer is option C. Every 4 hours. To prevent pathogens from growing to dangerous levels, food contact surfaces in constant use must be cleaned and sanitized at least every 4 hours.
Question 11. What is a cross-connection in a plumbing system? Option A. A secure water line that prevents leaks. Option B. A physical link between safe water and dirty water, or sewers. Option C. A drain pipe connected to a grease trap. Option D. A pipe that carries hot and cold water.
The correct answer is option B. A physical link between safe water and dirty water, or sewers. A cross-connection is a physical link between safe, potable, water and dirty water, which allows backflow to occur, potentially contaminating the water supply.
Question 12. What is the most reliable method for preventing backflow in a plumbing system? Option A. Installing a vacuum breaker. Option B. Using a cross-connection. Option C. Creating an air gap. Option D. Installing a grease trap.
The correct answer is option C. Creating an air gap. An air gap is a physical separation between the water supply outlet and the flood rim of a receptacle. It is the only completely reliable way to prevent backflow.
Question 13. Where must cleaning chemicals and toxic materials be stored in a restaurant? Option A. Next to dry food storage. Option B. Above food prep tables. Option C. In a designated area separated from food and food contact surfaces. Option D. Under the 3-compartment sink near clean dishes.
The correct answer is option C. In a designated area separated from food and food contact surfaces. Chemicals must be stored away from food, utensils, and equipment to prevent chemical contamination. They should never be stored above food.
Question 14. What must be provided at a designated handwashing sink? Option A. Soap, single-use towels or hand dryer and a trash receptacle. Option B. Hand sanitizer only. Option C. Dish detergent and a sponge. Option D. A bucket for dirty mop water.
The correct answer is option A. Soap, single-use towels or hand dryer and a trash receptacle. A fully equipped hand washing station must have hot and cold running water, soap, a way to dry hands, a garbage container, and a sign telling staff to wash hands.
Question 15. What is the purpose of coving in a commercial kitchen? Option A. To improve lighting. Option B. To filter grease from the air. Option C. To provide a curved sealed edge between the floor and wall, making it easier to clean. Option D. To keep pests out of the ceiling.
The correct answer is option C. To provide a curved sealed edge between the floor and wall, making it easier to clean. Coving is a curved, sealed edge between a floor and wall that eliminates sharp corners or gaps that are hard to clean and can harbor pests.
Question 16. Which flooring material is best suited for a food prep area? Option A. High pile carpet. Option B. Smooth non-absorbent durable material like quarry tile. Option C. Untreated wood. Option D. Porous stone.
The correct answer is option B. Smooth non-absorbent durable material like quarry tile. Flooring in food prep areas must be smooth, durable, non-absorbent, and easy to clean to maintain a sanitary environment.
Question 17. What is a strong indicator that cockroaches are present in a facility? Option A. Droppings that look like black pepper grains. Option B. Gnaw marks on wooden pallets. Option C. Nesting materials made of paper and cloth. Option D. A sweet floral odor.
The correct answer is option A. Droppings that look like black pepper grains. Cockroach feces look like black pepper grains. They may also leave capsule-shaped egg cases and produce a strong, oily odor.
Question 18. What is a strong indicator of a rodent, mice or rat, infestation? Option A. A strong oily smell. Option B. Droppings that look like black pepper. Option C. Shiny black droppings, gnaw marks and dirt tracks. Option D. Webs in the corners of the ceiling.
The correct answer is option C. Shiny black droppings, gnaw marks and dirt tracks. Rodents leave distinct signs such as shiny black droppings, gnaw marks on wood or food packaging, dirt tracks along walls, and nesting materials.
Question 19. Who is legally allowed to apply pesticides in a food service operation? Option A. The manager. Option B. Any food handler who has been trained. Option C. A licensed pest control operator, PCO. Option D. The dishwasher.
The correct answer is option C. A licensed pest control operator, PCO. Only a licensed or certified pest control operator, PCO, should apply pesticides, as they are toxic chemicals that must be handled legally and safely.
Question 20. What does HACCP stand for? Option A. Hazard and Cleanliness Control Program. Option B. Hazard Analysis Critical Control Point. Option C. Health Assessment and Cooking Control Points. Option D. Handling and Cleaning Control Practices.
The correct answer is option B. Hazard Analysis Critical Control Point. HACCP, Hazard Analysis Critical Control Point, is a systematic, preventive approach to food safety that identifies biological, chemical, and physical hazards.
Question 21. In a HACCP plan, what is a critical control point, CCP? Option A. The time the food is delivered. Option B. A point in the flow of food where a hazard can be prevented, eliminated, or reduced to safe levels. Option C. The temperature of the freezer. Option D. The location where food is stored.
The correct answer is option B. A point in the flow of food where a hazard can be prevented, eliminated, or reduced to safe levels. A CCP is a specific step, like cooking or cooling, where a control measure can be applied to completely prevent, eliminate, or reduce a food safety hazard.
Question 22. Checking the internal temperature of a chicken breast to ensure it reached 165 F is an example of which HACCP principle? Option A. Establishing critical limits. Option B. Monitoring a critical control point. Option C. Taking corrective action. Option D. Verifying the system works.
The correct answer is option B. Monitoring a critical control point. Using a thermometer to measure a temperature during the process is the act of monitoring to ensure the critical limit has been met.
Question 23. If a cook checks the temperature of soup on a buffet and it is 120 F and they decide to reheat it to 165 F, what HACCP principle is this? Option A. Conducting a hazard analysis. Option B. Monitoring. Option C. Taking corrective action. Option D. Record keeping.
The correct answer is option C. Taking corrective action. Taking corrective action means fixing a problem when a critical limit, 135 F, has not been met.
Question 24. What is the main purpose of a ventilation system in a commercial kitchen? Option A. To cool the food down quickly. Option B. To remove heat, steam, grease, and smoke from the air. Option C. To keep pests away. Option D. To provide lighting over the prep tables.
The correct answer is option B. To remove heat, steam, grease, and smoke from the air. Ventilation systems improve indoor air quality by removing heat, steam, smoke, and grease. If grease builds up on walls, the ventilation is not working properly.
Question 25. How should a dumpster be maintained to prevent pests? Option A. Left open to air out. Option B. Placed directly on the dirt. Option C. Kept tightly covered with drain plugs in place. Option D. Emptied only once a month.
The correct answer is option C. Kept tightly covered with drain plugs in place. Dumpsters must be placed on a smooth, durable surface, like concrete or asphalt, have tight-fitting lids that are kept closed, and have drain plugs in place.
Question 26. What kind of lighting is required in food prep areas? Option A. Low lighting to save energy. Option B. The brightest lighting in the facility to ensure safe food handling and cleaning. Option C. Colored lighting to make food look better. Option D. Natural sunlight only.
The correct answer is option B. The brightest lighting in the facility to ensure safe food handling and cleaning. Food prep areas require the brightest lighting, usually 50-foot candles, so staff can easily see food quality, safely handle knives, and spot dirt.
Question 27. What should you do if a health inspector arrives at your facility? Option A. Refuse them entry until the owner arrives. Option B. Ask for identification and cooperate with the inspection. Option C. Tell them to come back tomorrow. Option D. Hide any food that might be out of temperature.
The correct answer is option B. Ask for identification and cooperate with the inspection. Managers should always ask for the inspector's ID, cooperate fully, take notes, and fix any immediate violations if possible.
Question 28. If a water main break occurs causing a loss of safe water to the facility, what must the manager do? Option A. Boil all water before use without telling anyone. Option B. Switch to bottled water and notify the regulatory authority. Closure may be required. Option C. Keep operating normally. Option D. Use sanitizer instead of water to cook.
The correct answer is option B. Switch to bottled water and notify the regulatory authority. Closure may be required. A loss of potable water is an imminent health hazard. The operation may need to close, switch to an alternative safe water supply, and notify the local health department.
Question 29. Which item must be cleaned but does not necessarily need to be sanitized? Option A. A cutting board. Option B. A chef's knife. Option C. The floor of the kitchen. Option D. A soup spoon.
The correct answer is option C. The floor of the kitchen. Floors, walls, and the outside of equipment must be cleaned, but only food contact surfaces, like boards, knives, and spoons, must be cleaned and sanitized.
Question 30. Where should wet wiping cloths used for wiping down tables be stored between uses? Option A. In the food handler's pocket. Option B, on the edge of the prep sink. Option C, in a bucket of sanitizer solution. Option D, draped over the cutting board.
The correct answer is option C, in a bucket of sanitizer solution. Wet wiping cloths must be stored submerged in a bucket of properly mixed sanitizer solution between uses to prevent them from breeding bacteria.